Go on now.
Alright.
Just tell me name if you want to.
Yeah, Leonard Matic.
Yeah.
One Matic. See?
Yeah.
From the Route 32, Duane Park Division taxi operator. See? Well, every year we get scared because it come like I just randomly, one of we just got dead. Innocently for nothing at all. And this youth yeah, nobody now have nothing bad to say about him. And we used to like I rob them, I try rob him, see the vehicle and money, me don't know. Me never in the car, so I don't know if he put up resistance. Them shoot him and run off. So we just there and mourn. You understand? I'm not even work back here so they can end up it. I'm done scared already, I'm extra scared now. You understand? So we out here, we are working in fear for transport the hard-working citizens of Jamaica to work, school and etc. And well, lack of knowledge. Cause if you go fire gun to kill your own black brother, most lack your lack of knowledge. You destroy yourself. You understand? So these men will lack of knowledge. You don't forget, wise up here now. Things and time are change. Everybody are try to keep focus. You understand? And I see the changes in the people. So please, no make you so fearful. Please transport you from point A to point B throughout the day and the night. That is my right.